Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a short video on how you can use your Autel scanner to reset the transmission adapted value. So basically you hook up your Autel scanner to the OBD port, and then you turn to on, run, and this is for the Chrysler Pacifica 2017 all the way up to 2023. So let's go scan auto detect ID. And Chrysler. Then okay. Yes. Okay. Now you should know if you own this car. The Chrysler Pacifica have the 9-speed transmission, and sometime it give you a hard shift. Like maybe at low speed you feel like it's jerk a little bit when it's changing to a different gear. So but sometimes depend how your driving habit is. Sometimes it could get really worse. So this is a way for you to just because the way the software inside the transmission program to adapt to your driving style. So sometimes the software is not that great, so it's have difficult time of shipping to the right gear. So you get that jerking feeling, or sometimes it just lunge and it's not smooth. So if the problem getting worse, then it's the best thing you can do is just reset the value to the original OEM, and that should temporarily fix your hard shifting problem. Now, in order to do this function, because Chrysler Pacifica from 2018 to all the way up, Chrysler, they put a lock on into the software inside the module inside your car. So you have to buy the service of FCA Auto for you to basically do all the function. It's just like imagine just like your computer. You have a file that's just a readme only, and you cannot do write. And in order to do the write, you have to buy a subscription, which is $50 a year. So in order to do this reset, you have to buy the subscription. Chrysler did it only from 2018 all the way up. So if you have a 2017, then you don't have to do it. So basically, it let you do scanning and seeing all the code and stuff like that, but you cannot clear, you cannot relearn anything, you cannot reset anything. Basically, whatever you do that changing the function inside the car module, they're not going to let you do it, but they let you see what it is, but they're not letting you do it until you bought the subscription. That's $50 FCA auto, and then you can do it. So I think it's worth it. $50 is not bad, because let's say your battery ran out, or dead in the middle, or your car dead because your battery ran out. They usually store a whole bunch of code inside, trigger a whole bunch of code inside your computer module in your car. So it's always good to clear it out. And in order to clear those code, or in order to, like today, we're gonna try to do the reset of the transmission. You have to get that subscription. But so I just want to let you know that the Autel, the one I have right now, Autel MK808S, can do that. So you go to transmission control module, and okay, and then you go to special function, and then you see right here, reset adaptive value. So this way you're gonna go and just go okay, and it should be reset. I already set mine a couple of days ago, so I'm not gonna do it again. But my hot shifting problem is started having after maybe 6 months. So I just did it yesterday because the problem getting worse, so I reset it. So let's so this video is basically just I'll show you where it is, so you can do it yourself if you have the Autel MK808S that do bi-directional function. So that's where you go. So let me show you again. You go to transmission module, and then you go to special function, and then you said right here, it said reset adaptive value. That's where you reset it. Or because I did it going through all the scanning stuff, if you don't want to go to all the scanning, then you can go directly to it. So when you get over here, it said auto scan, don't do it auto scan, go to control module, control unit, and go to powertrain, and then TCM, transmission control module, and then go to special function, and you get back to the same location as before. So reset adaptive value, and after you reset it, you should your car should be shifting smoothly, but it's depend on your driving style. It might come back. Some said it's come back within a couple of months. For me, it's come back within 6-7 months. Some people is won't come back until a couple of years. So it's depend. So, but that's where you go and reset it. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay, bye.